Helen McMahon for Expert Village. One question that people often ask is, how do I know when the meringue is ready to be baked? And here's the way I figure it out. Take a little bit on your clean finger and rub it between your fingers. If you feel graininess, that means it's not finished beating. You want to be sure that all that sugar is well incorporated into the meringue, and I can still feel a little bit of the graininess of the sugar. So that means it's not quite ready yet. But while I have the beaters up, I'm going to, once again, push down all the meringue from the sides of the bowl so that they'll have a chance to be properly incorporated into the mixture. And we'll turn it on full blast and let it keep beating until we make sure that there's no more graininess.